Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. This is Madhav and in today's video we are going to play Roblox, which is a new game. So who invented this game? I have a question. Who can ask me?
Oh my god.
What is that? Ooh. Demon! Run, demon!
Hey, it's me, buddy.
Who's me? I'm jumping down or else demon
Hello,
will
Mr.
kill me.
Herobrine. Hello, Mr. Herobrine. How do you do?
Herobrine.
I'm Alexander.
I'm not Herobrine, boy.
Yeah, you trolled me as Herobrine. I know that, and you gave me some diamonds. I wanted to find
Glass office.
Hey, find them. Hey, where are you, UDCF? Hey, see me! I'm jumping.
I'm not there yet.
You're not there. That's why I'm.
Should I jump there?
Yeah, you will die.
Surely die.
Dead. Buddy, you're dead.
Is there any good game other than Roblox? I think so. This is the best game.
No, why do you think this is the best game?
What? You don't know English?
Why do you think?
Yeah. Now you know English.
Yeah. Hey, what is the...
God knows. I don't know.
What the hell is...
See the character. Even the characters say God knows. Deadly
I
virus.
just died.
Deadly virus. Oh, I think I've heard of this.
Okay. I should have avoided that crowd. Hey, where are you running? Excellent toy. I died out there. Do it there. Hey, where are you?
Just jumped up.
I wanna die. I'm making some. Buddy. I'm saluting the great survivors of this place. Whoever survives, I salute them. First, let me just.
What is that?
Make this ready.
Avatar. What? Are you bald? And who are you? I don't know who are you.
Yeah, that's my avatar. I think so.
Who are you? Are you fake gamer grill? What? What the heck is your name, bro? Are you Thanos? You're violent, bro. Hit him, bro. Kill him. Push
I
him.
can't hit you, buddy.
Push him.
I have given you a friend this friend request.
What?
Don't run
Someone
away.
has come.
Yes, I'm saluting the survivors. Salute! See, I'm saluting. I salute them.
Why am I not able to salute? What emote did you choose?
I can't salute. See that?
Where are you?
Let's go to the
Trailer park. What is
Don't
that?
die. That stuff that comes. Yes, first let's see what's the
Tanker. Water tanker.
What can be a flood or something?
No, I don't think so. It can be that virus that killed you. What? There's a pole here. What does it do? What? I just fell from there.
You have to. I will survive this for the first time in my life.
What? Where are you? I am in the sea.
I'm on top of that thing. What is the disaster? Tell us, buddy.
I died. I just jumped from the tower. I was getting an emergency meteor shower. That's bad.
What? What the hell?
How did you die?
I just jumped out.
Yeah, that's what
By
the problem is. If you jump from a high
we have
height, you
to-
die.
We have to find shelter. We will also die.
Wow. It
I
doesn't come here.
This is my
But
last salute. Over there.
Hi, bro. See.
I don't know. Hey, who are you, poor fellow?
You. What is this? Yanomas. I'll kill him.
You can't kill anybody. You need a. Whoa.
I can jump on him. I just. Hello. Where are you? Jump, jump, jump. What? I am catching him. See? I have climbed it. I climbed him.
TNT. I got TNT, buddy. Don't fry. Don't fry. Meteor shower. Meteor shower.
Boom! I'm saving the water. What? Water?
Hey, they are asking us to take shelter. See, look there. Just come out and they have said that take shelter before that. Okay?
I'm not.
And they have destroyed all the shelter thing.
I'm not able to see anything. Where is it?
How will we?
Survivors. These many people are. How are they even
I'm
surviving?
dead. I fell down. I can't survive this.
You just drink. What do you say? Poison. Then you survive.
No, the best thing. Oh, there are some pieces. Oh, I just
What?
collected
There's a girl. See? What? Dragon. Ender dragon. Ender dragon.
Let's kill them.
Come down. Come down.
Hey, see this sunny rat. Hey, this
Come
black-
here. Come here. Come
Hey,
here.
who is this black color frosty? Let's go inside and like.
What is the disaster? Could someone tell me?
Jump.
Yay! Got the ladder. I got the up. What? Meteor shower. I know that. Because if there's no meteor shower, why would clouds come?
What is it? Let us see. Huh?
We'll get up. If it's flood or meteor shower, we don't know where to get.
Let's see what is it is.
My health is very low.
I'm full.
I am yellow. How do I regain my health? What? What
Hey,
is it?
you're- Oh yeah.
Flash flood.
Flash flood. That means we have to go to
Ayyo.
high ground. High things. High place. That is this thing. Fast.
Come here, I know a good place. Get up the tower type thing. You get up. That's the simplest thing but safest thing as well as. Where are you?
I'm on top of one of those towers. The flood's already over here, buddy.
What? I am half health. Please
You're
don't kill me.
half a health.
I'll die.
I can't hit you also.
Please, nobody. Don't kill me. Ever kill me. My health.
I want
is
a
very
survival list.
What was that?
What was that?
I am safe now. That's good though.
What the?
I see
This
them.
Superman is still alive.
Superman 90054. His name also starts from.
Super duper.
See, fast come and see the island. You will just get damn bro.
Where's the island, by the way?
Get up.
Oh my.
Goodness.
That freaking farmhouse.
What?
High school. Now we are.
I know that because I saw the map and it rebuilt.
Hey, now what is the disaster first? Tell that.
I think we will fight virus. Yeah, you did you survive that? Did you have a virus? One thing.
Yes.
Coronavirus. That was coronavirus.
I thought I could wear a mask, but
You're teaching
What's
us
this?
idea.
I think we should avoid crowds.
Why?
If that virus stupid thing comes,
No. You can't tell if flood comes. But
Hey,
they're
stay
flying,
away.
bro. How is that even possible?
Stay away from me. Everyone, stay away from me. I am COVID-19.
Run. Acid rain. Stay indoors.
Stay indoors.
I'm indoors.
I'm inside the door.
I'm not inside the door. I'm facing my
Yeah,
box.
this fellow just flew. Hey, I'm in the toilet.
I go to toilet. I am scared of my pressure is getting up. How to get into toilet? How do you get into toilet? Bro, where are you? Bro, you should have shut down the door, bro. Run. You're not saving the toilet. Run.
I'm just saving the toilet from acid rain by putting.
You're-
Hey, the Superman fellow is over here. Kill him.
Where is he?
And add this fellow as And he's my friend now. Superman, give me Superman costume. What happened?
I just went to an open door and something fell, so I was just shocked.
What is on top of this thing? Huh?
My God, I just went saved myself, or else I would have died.
God.
Come to the main home.
Hey man, if I come, I will die, buddy.
See, I'm jumping here. I'm in the ceiling, so you can first. Come here, come.
Yeah, I'm not only stupid to come over here. I'm jumping.
See,
Yes, my name was
my
there.
name was. I am
Where is
first.
my name?
I'm first.
That is my name. Yes, I'm.
Yeah, AFDF. So I am the first
I'm
survivor.
the king of this
What?
place. I'm the king of this place. Let's just die.
Alexander, we recorded some videos, right?
Who's Alexander? I'm not Alexander.
Please tell me. I have a doubt.
I'm not Alexander. I'm telling the truth.
I'll beat you. Okay.
Oh,
That's all it is. What? Oh, teriki. What does that mean? Oh, tower.
Why did I fall
Tower.
down? I just fell down.
Pipe. I'm walking on a pipe and I'm
I know what it is. It's going to be some meteor rain or something.
How do you know that?
Or it can be a flash flood. So go up.
If you go up, I think acid. I mean, this falls from high ground.
Hey, sandstone!
Sandstone, jump!
You're dead. I think so. You're dead. Hey, what if I go out of this place?
I'm done. Run fast. Sandstorm. Now it's showing. We already.
Nothing's happening to us. We are safe. We are the best people. You are the worst. Oh my.
My God, those blocks are.
Oh, the king.
The house is flying away. The pieces of house are flying away, bro. No one is safe here. Run for your lives. Have you read?
Yes, you just fell in.
Have you read this of Harry Potter? Second book of Harry Potter.
Yeah. Thomas wrote down the video.
In that it shows attack, another attack. No mortal or.
Hey, can I ask you something, boss?
I died.
Can I ask you something?
I died.
But I can't see it. That means you haven't died.
I'm a survivor. Run for your life. No, I can't do anything. My name is not in the. I am dead.
Whoa,
I
can
died.
see your stuff.
I died.
I'm on top of a fellow.
I
I'm
died.
on top of Isha 67.
I died.
Hey, I saw you. You're dead.
I died.
Hey,
I died. How are these people flying? Have you ever seen how they do fly with a balloon on?
You need
In
robots.
meteor, even in meteor rains, the balloon is safe. They do not break. What are you whispering?
Sorry, nothing. No.
What? One man is ninja kung fu thing. Helicopter chopper.
Let's get into that. Fly away from this.
I'll get into the tank. What? I'm on the tank.
You're on the tank.
I'm literally on the tank. I'm riding the tank. I'm dashing into the helicopter. I survived. Let's get into this. No, don't underestimate the power of its wings. But how does it fly? It will cut us.
I want to fly it.
How do we fly?
I know how to fly that. You just move. No, blah, blah, blah.
What? I have a tanka. A 5 tower, bro.
What is the
Literal volcano eruption. Literally volcano. Run up. I am up.
This is mine.
I am up the Eiffel Tower.
Hey, is the volcano near?
Are you stupid?
How are these people?
Get up. I got up and some lava just threw me down from the top and I
How
died.
are these people even making sense?
Yeah, that's what my question is. I can see you. I can see you. I can see you. Where are you, bro?
I am surviving this. I don't even need anything.
Volcano eruption. Volcano is throwing till here, bro. What a volcano is throwing lava till here.
Hey, don't throw it on my head, man.
Actually, I'm not safe.
Wow.
Literally a big lava flew over me. This is Minecraft lava because this block and it just blew over me.
This is how Minecraft lava should be.
What? This thing is so
Wow.
freaking. Oh, at the edge of this. God, please.
This one.
One red thing just hit me and
My name is there.
Where? AFTF3YA.
Yes. I know how to survive that. I'll show you next time if
We'll survive this last and we'll play another game. I don't like this one.
I will.
We'll play some animal friendly
Listen.
game.
No. After this. Wait.
Yeah, I'm
listen.
surviving. I'm telling you.
Whoa.
After this.
Whoa.
Next,
Listen.
Manic Mansion.
Listen, I'm gonna listen, man. I'm gonna say about this.
Who is this Porsche one?
I'm gonna speak about this thing. What do you say?
Some AFDF3
Listen.
is some bald AFDF. I'm just making it friends. How do you make it friends?
I know. I'm telling a Hindi song about this volcanic eruption.
Satyam Shivam Sundaram.
You are telling something else.
I have a pretty one, good one. Shall I tell?
I'm on top of the building.
Satyam volcano eruption.
Truly volcanic.
Fire, where's fire? Run for your lives.
There isn't any fire on top of this.
Hey?
Yeah, why is this fella?
What?
Run.
What? Hello? I'm not able to turn. I'm just. What happened?
What?
I'm not able to turn. Someone is killing me. Fire is killing me. Fire. Run. Help for my life. What?
What?
Something. I died. How is it possible? What happened?
I am in lava.
That's the problem. What?
I'm not able to come out of this.
Hello? What happened? I'm leaving this game.
Okay. Fine. Why not we make free Roblox and then we'll find that balloon stuff?
No, I'm not playing this game. I can just not do anything. See, I cannot even turn my this. So I'm
Okay.
leaving this. I'm going to something better. I think some animal.
Okay, then that's it, I think so.
No, I would like to.
That's it in today's video, I think.
Yeah, I think. Bye. That's it in today's video, guys.